In 2020, we witnessed a massive outbreak of wildfires around the world. Millions of hectares of vegetation land burnt, and billions of animals swiped away from their habitat. The wildfire occurrence rate has been increasing every year. Wildfire in 2021 is predicted to be more severe. So, what can we do to prevent forest fire? Never leave the fire unattended. Be careful when operating machines, storing heat and sparks. Avoid unnecessary agricultural burns. Never throw out burning materials out on the ground. Not all fires can be stopped, but most can be prevented. Save the environment, save the earth.